Audrey, would you like to help me get out the blanket so we can look at different pictures of trains? Come help me. Come help me lay it down. Let's lay it over here. Can you grab one end and help?
There.
There we go. Let's come sit down and look at the different pictures of trains I got. Look. This is a steam train. Do you know what sound a train makes? What sound? Are you going to chug like a train? Let's come sit down so I can show you other pictures, Audrey. I got other pictures to show you. Come here.
There. Go. Sit down.
Look, here's another steam engine train. It goes choo-choo. Audrey, come see. You want to come help me show the pictures? Come here. Come help me. Come swipe. Can you come swipe? Come here.
No. No, right.
She's like, I want to dance.
What a great train dance.
And look, here's an electric engine. Yeah, that's the kind we see in San Antonio. But now we're going to listen to a train. Landon, do you want to listen to a train? Let's come sit down and rub our ears. Come here. Can you rub, where's your ears? Can you rub your ears? Can you rub your ears? Do you guys want to stand and listen? We can do that. Let's see if we can hear the train. Can you hear the train?
It's gonna get you.
Did you guys hear that train? How it left the station and went on the tracks? Let's listen one more time, and this time we'll interact with the train. Let's see if we can hear it.
And stand.
Maybe the train wants to start. Maybe not. What did the train do first? It said, all aboard! And it started to... Can you guys move your arms like the train? And then it gained speed. And then it started to slow down. And then a steam came out. And then it stopped. Audrey, can you help me put the blanket away? Can you help me fold the blanket and put it away? Yes, thank you. Can you help Miss Sally put it where it goes, please? Can you help Miss Sally take it where it goes?